Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into T.Rowe Price account, secure access step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the T.Rowe Price website. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the secure login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Ensure that both entries are accurate to avoid login errors. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the appropriate Forgot User ID or Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your login information. Once both user ID and password are entered correctly, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system verifies your credentials. After successful login, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you experience any issues, check for typos or reset your password if needed. For added security, ensure you are using a secure and private internet connection. It's also advisable to log out after your session for optimal security. Familiarize yourself with the account features once you have logged in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.